Hi all. I don't know if you noticed recently, not just the Form Porn t-shirt by the way, which arrived today, but in recent days I've been doing some transcription stuff, but it does take a lot of energy and time out, and I'd rather focus on creating new exciting videos for you guys, and that's what I really love doing. So this video is just basically a little request. If you get any time and you want to translate or do closed captions for any videos, there's this page which I'll give a link in the description, as well as this page which is how to do it. Basically you just go to a video, you click that gear icon, and you do subtitles or CC, and then you just do add subtitles or CC. So the instructions are there, so you can, all languages welcome, German, Russian, any language, any language, all welcome. That'd be really great. Or English, because YouTube, the automatic transcriptions is not so great, especially for chess. You can imagine that sometimes PAWN porn gets translated gets transcribed into something else, and as well as Forks gets transcribed into something else. So I'd really appreciate if you had time, check out especially like either like the recent videos or the most prolific videos we've had on the channel. This is a YouTube credits page. The most prolific ones we've had on the channel, or the recent ones. This link is also in the description. If you can contribute to these, that would be most welcome, because that would save me time, and then I could do more videos for you guys. So and any time you've got that you want to contribute to the Kingscrusher channel, and we'll use the crediting or whatever that is available to, hopefully you'll get some recognition for doing this work as well, to help the channel. So that'd be really good. If any help, really appreciated. I think if you have a channel, especially, you automatically get highlighted for contributing. So yeah, you might find it interesting to do some transcription stuff. Okay, thanks very much. Check out the links I'll give in the description for these two pages. Thanks very much.